motorcycle riding in wet conditions, if slippery surfaces are unavoidable. Try to ride across them in a straight line, avoid braking on them, and keep the bike as upright as possible. Always wear your helmet properly. It will surely save your life, especially in a strong impact.
Ano dumaretso?
Nasagasaan. Hindi nag-iisip.
Huwag mo nang pumakamano. Huwag mo nang truck na yun. Madulas na yung kaya. Sumulat na siguro pag-preno.
Following these defensive driving tips can help reduce your risk behind the wheel. 1. Think safety first. 2. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention. 3. Do not depend on other drivers. 4. Follow the 3 to 4 second rule. 5. Keep your speed down. 6. Have an escape route. 7. Separate risks. 8. Cut out distractions.